The next feed we're going to be talking about is one we call the job feed module. If I click on new module and then scroll down here and select job feed, I'm going to give this a name as well. So what the job feed module will do is this will link into the GVSU Career Center, and any jobs that are posted with a particular feed as far as a subject area, it will automatically add it to your page. So as an example, if we look at the biomedical sciences page, if I click on students and scroll down, they have a section here for jobs. And if I click on it, it automatically creates this job feed based from the job feed module. So let me walk you through how to get that added. So we've created the job feed module already, as you can see right here on the left-hand side. And then I need to create a feed for where we want the jobs to come from. So for an example, let's just choose full-time positions. And you can see here there's a note, if you experience trouble or wish to add a new one, you will want to contact the GVSU Career Center. So I'm going to add the feed for full-time positions, and now I'm going to say add. So now you see we've added in the full-time positions feed. I can also add in another feed if I really want to. So let's do full-time entry-level positions. And so you can see you can add in multiple different job feeds in there. So now that we've added it in there, let's go add it to a page. So I'm going to click on content on the left-hand side. And I have a page here called Zach Test, and I'm going to click on the edit button. Once this loads, from the bottom right, I'm going to click on the module link. And then once this appears, I'm going to choose the CMS 201 job feed that we just created. And so you can see now it creates the entry for that module. Let's take a look at how this is going to look if I click on the preview draft button. And there you go. So we can see now that the job feed is pulling in all of the different jobs that we've selected. You can also click on this button down here that says view more jobs, and it will give you a better view as far as it will list all of the jobs available as opposed to just the ones you want in the feed. If I go back a page, you can see that it's currently showing 5 different job feeds. If we go back to our CMS, and I double click on this to edit it, you can see that we can change the number of maximum jobs that we want to post. So currently it's at 5. If we just wanted to show 2, you can do that as well. And once we click save, let's take a look at what that looks like once we preview it. So now you can see we just have the 2 job feeds there. So it's a great way to show and have a list of different jobs that are available. And if you look here, you can see there's several different fields that you can have. And if you want to add more fields, you would just simply need to contact the GVSU Career Center.